Good morning, Glamlas! Happy Monday!
Today we're going to talk about wrinkles. Wrinkles, kulubot sa mukha. But today we're not going to talk about it in a way na may pagsisisi. I mean kasi I want you to express your opinion also. Kasi dati, may pagsisisi ako. Sinisisi ko yung sarili ko. Kasi sabi ko, bakit kasi I was lazy? Bakit kasi I didn't take good care of it in the way na sinabi sa akin ng derma? Ayan, tuloy, makikita na yung wrinkles ko, malalim na, yung ganon, ang pangit, yung ganyan. But at 63, I have decided to stop hiding my wrinkles. For years, like many of us, have played the game of filters. At hindi lang yon, miracle creams din. Filters make skin look unnaturally tight. Those people who use them, aminin nyo, ako pag nakikita ko yung face ko sa photo na ginamitan ng filter or in-edit, ang pangit, ang ganda, pero ang pangit, ang fake. Nakikita ko yung mga tao mahilig mag-filter. Ang unnatural talaga, kasi super smooth. I'm not saying na walang skin na gano'n pero at their age, talagang, at saka special din, kilala ko sila. Mas napapangitan ako kaysa nagagandahan ako. I do not want to look at my edited photos so smooth. Tapos, alam ko naman na hindi ako yun. Kaya ako, I'm making a pact with myself as my wrinkles are getting more defined. And that is, less filter, lalo na kung ako lang din naman ang nag-e-edit. And ayoko na magbibili ng kung ano-anong cream. Diyos ko, ang dami-dami ko ng cream. Tamad-tamad ko naman gumamit. Huwag na, hayaan na. Stop dreaming na ako that the filter will turn back what time has done to my skin. When I see myself in the mirror now, I see more than skin. And I see more than wrinkles. Guhit at mapa. Maps ang nakikita ko. Proof ng lahat ng pinagdaanan ko. Each line around my eyes, proof yan sa mga hundreds of hours, thousands of hours ng pagpo-proofread ng mga scripts bago ko ibigay sa voice-over client ko. At syempre kasama na din dyan yung pagtawa ko with my sons after Holy Mass. Also, yung mga laugh lines ko, they're there because of my many years of hosting and the many times that I tried to bloom out loud. When I was a young girl, my skin was a blank canvas, smooth. But I wouldn't trade that for the woman that I am today. The woman who has navigated the challenges of widowhood, the complexities of motherhood, or the thrill of entrepreneurship. Iba ang ganda ng may karanasan. At bawat kulubot sa mukha ko is a sign that I have truly lived. A sign that says, I moved and even dove headfirst, even with the chaos of the world. I'm not giving up on beauty, Hindi ganon ang ibig kong sabihin. Glamlas, I will just redefine beauty. I-redefine natin ang beauty, hindi yung mga nakikita natin sa magazines o kaya yung mga napapanood natin sa sine. Hindi ganon yun. Glamlas, beauty now is that vogue that comes from within. I am choosing to be real and to be proud of every mark on my face. Ito ang tunay na ako. I know who I am, kung saan ako galing, at kung saan ako papunta.